on you with their friends, girl, you got it.
Bambelela mngani wami, sophumelela izwa ngami. Nendonge yethu sinikiwe, sobuya kusasa ngamanye amandla. Oh Nkosi, izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho, ehlisa umoya wakho wempumelelo. Izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho, Nkosi sikelela. Izwa imithandazo yabantwana.
Yes, I have the greatest ideas right before I'm about to sleep. Is that even normal? I don't know. And I can't touch my phone, write them down, because if I touch my phone, I won't sleep.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
So this is the outfit of the day. How's that shoe?
Bambelela mngani wami, sophumelela izwa ngami. Nendonge yethu sinikiwe, sobuya kusasa ngamanye amandla. Oh Nkosi, izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho, ehlisa umoya wakho wempumelelo. Izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho, Nkosi sikelela.
Cool.
Bambelela mngani wami, sophumelela izwa ngami. Nendonge yethu sinikiwe, sobuya kusasa ngamanye amandla.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Tell me why. Here where I'm at, literally, there's a code to get out. There's a code to get in. Literally, there's a code to go to the pool. It feels like prison. I'm not even lying to y'all. It wastes time. Like what? I wouldn't come here. It's like good security, but like no, please.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
So now we're going for the boat ride, whatever they call it, in this artificial beach. Let's hope I enjoy this.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once.
Mind you, I was in front, so just think about it. It was the worst thing ever, honestly. I was so tired. Literally.
Oh, Nina, that boat thingy, no more. I've never been so tired. What? The handwork. I'm sure I have muscles.
Bambelela mngani wami, sophumelela izwa ngami. Lendonge yethu sinikiwe, sobuya kusasa ngamanye amandla. Oh Nkosi, izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho, ehlisa umoya wakho empumelelo. Izwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho, Nkosi, sikelela. Izwa imi.
So guys, I want to tell you what happened yesterday. So we're at the restaurant, right? And one of the people that I came with, it was her birthday, so she asked the restaurant if she could literally spend her birthday, right? And mind you, we didn't know about this. She only told us on the day of us coming here. Okay, fine. She decided to say, okay, I'm gonna pay for everyone's drink. We're like 14 of us. So her friend literally said, friend, I'm gonna pay for the other half. Yo guys, oh my god, they're actually genuine people out there. She's genuine, and the whole time she was taking her pictures. Yeah, that friend really wanted her memories. She's so genuine. And
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary.
Bambelela mngani wami, sophumelela izwa ngami. Lendonge